had a chance to come back in, but not many of you, all right? The reason is, you know, they were prepared for a large group. They were prepared for a group this year.
Yeah! Yeah!
They do work for us. They should come outside.
Yeah!
They're our public masters, not our public servants. I forgot.
So we're going to have to wing it, guys. This is not planned. So just, you know, be yourselves. You know how we are. We're a very respectful group. We do things right because we're the law-abiding firearms owners. All right? We're the law-abiding group. We don't know about that. We don't know about any of that, but we do know that we've all been vetted, okay? So we're the best people. You guys do what you got to do. Stay warm. If you got to, you know, I think they will let you in the building, you know, past a certain amount. So if you got to go, like, over to Dunkin' Donuts or somewhere, or Marriott, or hang out, keep yourself warm, come back, you know, whatever. Just do the best you can. And I apologize that I did not know that we were going to blow this away.
Right.
Okay.
Can I get a consensus? Can we let the press know there's at least 100 people outside? Because the press will report there was 3 of us outside. The press will say there's 3 of us outside. All right? Yeah. Can I get a consensus?
What about getting some feedback about what's going on?
More buses.
There's more people coming. Please let them know the same thing, all right? Because this way, I have to go in and testify.
All right, but what about getting some feedback about what's going on periodically?
I'll try to do whatever I can. Whatever those somebody else.
Send somebody out. There are a lot of people there.
Okay. We'll
Get it running.
You know what? The proceedings should be live, right? Anybody that has a decent audio. Okay, the audio is live. If anybody that has a tablet or a smartphone or something that tunes into the New Jersey Legislature site, you can go to the hearings, and you guys can all do that, whoever has those things, and you can actually hear what's going on. All right, so bring the speakers out here. If it were up to me, I wouldn't. It's not up to me.
How many guys got in there?
How are you? Stuff, that's all I am. Fucking bus drivers can show up for a quarter after day. All right.
Hey!
How about listen to us? Or how about I will not comply? I'm not ready for that, but I'm almost ready. I'm 1 day away from I will not comply, depending on how these hearings go. You think we get 1,000 people that'll get locked up with a high-capacity magazine? I'm first. I'm first.
I'm right behind you.
And they're going to have to pick me up and carry me to the police station.
It's all on the verge. It's all on the verge.
We got a new chant from the lovely lady over here.
I find that
Shall
offensive.
not be infringed.
Shall not be infringed.
Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Honor your oath. 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 Honor your oath.
Well, great idea. They're letting 100 people in. Is there anybody here with a disability or who's cold or didn't wear the right shoes that wants to get to the front of the line without causing a riot? Okay. Is there somebody? He has a disability. He'd rather be out here. I'll stand with him too.
Anybody else? Copies of the Constitution?
Nobody really knows.
I got a couple more. Hold on.
Bob is going to read the oath of office.
Did you see where Germany went
Masters read when they took over.
read it.
Yes. This is the oath that our elected officials took. The people we put into office, the people that work for us. We don't work for them. They work for us. Okay? And we have to let them know that they're not going to honor their oath. We're going to fire them come November. The oath they took said, I do solemnly swear or affirm that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion, and I will well and faithfully discharge the duties of the office of which I am about to enter, so help me God.
Yes.
Do they seem to be following this oath? No! So what are we going to do? Vote them out! 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 Recall. All right, amendment number 1, and then I'm going to pass the baton. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, they own the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble, that's us locked outside right now, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. That's what we're doing today.
Ooh, Second Amendment. Here we go.
A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed.
Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed. Shall not be infringed.
Amendment 3.
No soldier. Come on.
No soldier shall, in a time of peace, be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in a manner to be prescribed by law. That's important.
It sure is.
That's why we have guns, so they can't come in your house.
Yeah. We'll go up from there.
Take your daughter.
Nobody else is going to read it.
Amendment number 4, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects,
against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized.
This includes home inspection!
No home inspection! No home inspection! No home inspection!
Amendment number 5. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia when in actual service in time of war or public danger. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation.
Amendment number 6. In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been committed, which district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witness against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining the witness in his favor, and to have the assistance of counsel for his defense.
And nullify the law if you're on a jury. A judge will never tell you that.
Number 7.
In suits in common law, where the value in controversy shall exceed $20, the right of a trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law.
Amendment number 8. Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted. It's very short. I'll do number 9 too. Amendment number 9. Enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people.
Amendment number 10. The powers not delegated to the United States or by the Constitution, nor prohibited by to the states, are reserved to the states and respectively, or the people. Which I'd like to make another comment. This is the federal Constitution, but the state Constitution of New Jersey was amended in 1947. Article number 1 says, all persons are by nature free and independent, and have certain natural and unalienable rights, among them which are those of enjoying and defending life and liberty, of acquiring, possessing, and protecting property, and of pursuing and obtaining safety and happiness. That is the state constitution, Article 1.
Right?
Article 1.